In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SMS by Zapier. We'll take you through the straightforward process of setting up Zapier to send SMS messages with ease. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zapier website. Zapier is an amazing platform that allows you to automate tasks between apps and move information seamlessly. Once you're there, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Now you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose your login method. For convenience, let's go ahead and click on Continue with Google. You'll be redirected to a Google sign-in page where you can select your account. Ensure you're choosing the correct Google account associated with your Zapier account if you have multiple accounts logged in. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to confirm the choice. Just click on Continue to proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open your existing Zap or create a new one. Navigate to the Zap you want to set up SMS notifications for and click into it. In your Zap editor, you'll find a button that prompts you to add a step or add an action. Click this button, and in the search bar that appears, type in SMS. When you see SMS by Zapier pop up in the list of options, go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to choose an action event. Look for and select Send SMS. This will allow you to send text messages as part of your Zap's action steps. For the next step, you'll need to connect your SMS by Zapier. You may not be signed into this service yet, so just click on Sign In. Now you will be asked to add your phone number. Ensure that you're entering a US or UK number since those are the regions supported at the moment. Remember to include your country code. It's an essential part of the number format. Once you've added your number, click on Send PIN. You'll receive a verification PIN on your phone that you'll need to enter to confirm your number. Finally, once you have entered the PIN and verified your number, click on Continue to SMS by Zapier. This step will allow you to start configuring the SMS notifications you wish to receive. You can customize these notifications to suit your individual needs, whether it's alerts for specific app events or keeping track of workflow progress. And that's it. You've successfully set up SMS by Zapier. By following these steps, you'll be able to streamline your notifications and always stay informed. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.